what is this muscle testing? Let's understand it simply. See, the body is essentially an electromagnetic energy, and it is surrounded by an electrical network or grid. This energy runs through the entire body as well, through all the muscles and organs too. Anything that affects the body affects this energy, and it shows as a weakening or strengthening of a muscle. When we test it, it gives us a yes, no, true, false, good, bad sort of answer. In the same way, we can find out what events or emotions strengthen or weaken our muscle or our body as well, or what stresses us or gives us power. This is the body's language. In our work at Ajna, we use precision muscle testing to tap into the subconscious mind to get answers for what your body is saying, what are your priorities, and what is best for your well-being now. That way, the answers for you come from you. Is that perfect? Let me give you an example. Hi Seema, I'm just going to show you how your body reacts to any emotion.
Okay.
Yeah? So I'm just going to hold your arms up like this and put a little bit of pressure. Think of something that makes you very unhappy. Can you do that? And when you think of this event, person, or experience, see what happens to your muscles. See, they weaken. Right? You can feel that. Okay? Now, in the same way, I want to ask you, is there a relationship that you would like to make better in your life?
Okay.
Is there something? Yeah. And when you think of this relationship, how do you feel?
Unhappy.
Yeah?
I get irritated sometimes.
Irritated. Yeah. So now I'd like to ask what the body has to say. So you just think of that relationship in your mind, and we'll see what the body has to say. Yeah. So I'm going through a list of things. Yeah. Uncared for, unloved, disappointed, trapped, unacceptable. See what happened to the muscles as we said, unacceptable? So, your irritation happens because you feel unacceptable. It's not just irritation. See, so the body has a fascinating way of communicating with us. Yeah? And we get to the truth of a particular situation or experience. Yeah? Thank you.
Thank you.